We are Tenkara Rod Co., a company born right here on Kickstarter 7 years ago. And we are so excited to be back with our latest rod, the Beartooth. A pocket-sized, go-anywhere-with-you Tenkara rod. Built for anyone, from the person just looking to get into fishing to the hardcore angler. Packing down to 14 inches and weighing in at just 2 ounces, the Beartooth is our lightest and most packable rod. It is a great rod for backpacking, hiking, bike packing, or just keeping it in your car and taking it with you everywhere you go. The Beartooth extends to 10 feet, making it ideal for fishing those small to medium-sized streams. We built this rod with a medium flex action so that it can handle a wide range of fish sizes, as well as cast heavier lines and flies. But the sweet spot for this rod are fish in the 8 to 16 inch range. And it can definitely handle bigger fish on occasion. One of the unique characteristics of the Beartooth is that we didn't incorporate cork on the handle. Instead, we kept it carbon with a rubberized finish for grip. This helps to reduce bulk and to better detect strikes from the fish. And like all of our rods, the Beartooth comes with a lifetime guarantee. Tenkara is a simple method of fly fishing from Japan that only requires a rod, line, tippet, and fly. And in an effort to keep things simple, you can back the Beartooth with everything you need to fish. By keeping things small and simple, we hope that people can take the Beartooth everywhere with them and get out and fish more often. This day and age, and especially right now, it's so important to get outside, get some fresh air, and experience nature.